Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Wildflower case review for you guys. I'm super excited. I'm going to start the video off with a quick overview of what Wildflower is, then I'll do an unboxing, a first impressions, and finish it up with all of like my opinions and just how I found the case to be after a few months. So everything you need to know about Wildflower will be in this video, so stay tuned. If you don't want to watch every part, I'm going to add chapters so you can just hover over the slider play button at the bottom and skip along to the parts you want to watch. I'll label it all. And yeah, let's just get right into this video. Okay, so Wildflower is a Californian LA brand that mainly sells online and sells limited edition iPhone accessories. So the cases all have the black rim and then a cute design, and it is owned by a mother and her two daughters. They also do lots of collabs with celebs such as Emma Chamberlain, and the prices cost around $30, but right now they have a 20% off sale items sale, so definitely go check them out. And yeah. Okay, my Wildflower case just arrived in the mail. It's honestly been quite a while since I ordered it. I think maybe that's because of COVID, because it was longer than the shipping I paid for, and even the cheap shipping would have been, so no hate in that regard. So yeah, let's just get right into it. It came in this little bag which seems quite protected, and then oh, here it is. Oh my goodness. First up, we got some stickers. They just say Wildflower, and they're really nice and smooth and shiny, so that is quite cute and a nice little extra. And then of course the phone case itself, here it is. I think it's a really pretty design. It's a lot darker than I thought. I thought it would be a little bit more pastel to open with, which is kind of cool. See that? Here's the phone. So we've got the phone case, and then it says welcome to the fam. You know. Of course, like all Wildflower cases, it's got the little WF. The side buttons, which I'm always think are very important, because if you can't press the side buttons, it is so annoying. They look like they're pretty pressable, which is great. And we've got the Wildflower written on the side. So overall, I think it's pretty nice. I'm filming on my phone. I'm so dumb. Guys, I'm filming on my phone, and we need to show you what it looks like with it on. So I'll get back to you.
Many months later.
It has literally been months, and I am so sorry. I actually kind of think it's worked out well though, because now I can give you a really accurate, really thorough and final thoughts on the case after having had it for a few months and been using it. So I have been using it now for 3 to 4 months, and the case itself, can I just say, is looking amazing. I personally love the look of it, and I've gotten a lot of compliments. The cheap clear phone cases, they go yellow. If you get just cheap phone cases, they chip on the side. There are no fingerprints. This black bit I thought could get really greasy and dirty, but it doesn't. It's the actual phone case itself has stayed in really, really top quality. Now for the actual screen, oh my goodness, it's really dirty. Okay. The case itself comes up about 2-3 millimeters, which is definitely protecting the screen, which is great. And then the back of the case, because newer iPhones have glass and stuff on the back of the phones, as you can tell, this one is not cracked at all. And I think that's due to this soft material, because I know my friend, she has the iPhone 10, and she had an Apple phone case and her whole back of her screen cracked. So, but there are 2 long skinny cracks, and there's a crack running down there. But it's not actually on the actual screen, it's on the screen protector. And whatever case you get, I 100% recommend getting a screen protector. So overall, my final review is pretty simple, and that is that I have been absolutely loving this. I've gotten compliments. The phone itself is always looking amazing because the case has stayed in perfect condition. The screen is in pretty solid condition, and I like holding it. It feels nice in my hands. There's lots of different designs for every personality, and they're pretty affordable, I reckon. They're not too bad, and I think it's hard to find a cute case and also a protective case unless you go to Casetify and spend heaps of money. So I think that this is definitely the perfect substitute. This one definitely has not let me down, and I would 100% recommend them. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Comment down below any extra questions you have and I will try and answer them. And yeah, I'll leave a link in the description to Wildflower.
It was cold.